A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. We have a hard question for you today. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Them a live or them dead? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you don't click the subscribe button yet, go do it now, and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what are going on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 12 from verse 18 to verse 27. Some Sadducee, them claim say, people were dead can't come back alive. Come to Jesus and ask him say, Teacher, Moses write this for we. If one man brother dead left his wife with no picnic, the brother must marry the woman and have picnic with her, him dead brother. Well, one time you did have 7 brother. The first one married but dead and never have no picnic. The second brother married the dead brother wife, but him dead too and never have no picnic. The same thing happened to the third brother. The 7 brother them dead, but none of them no gear no picnic. Then the woman dead too. When a time for them come back alive with all the other dead people them, who for wife shall go be, since the 7 of them didn't marry her? Jesus answered them say, Uno know say uno well wrong. And uno know why? Cause uno no know where God would say. And uno no know God power. Cause when dead people come back alive, man and woman now go get married. Them are go come in like the angel them in a heaven. But when you know talk about dead people to come back alive, you never read when Moses write down in the part about the bush, or God say, me a Abraham God, Isaac God, and Jacob God. Him and no God for the dead, but for who a live. So you know well wrong. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.